Yeah, hello and welcome to another MCO market update on Bitcoin. Here on the Bitcoin chart, we are still tracking a potential fifth wave to the upside. As I shared with you in the previous video today, I'm still tracking a potential fifth wave. I'm still tracking a potential fifth wave to the upside here within wave C of 3. This is really just let's say an intraday update, yeah. And the fifth wave should take us to 95,444 to 96,448 next. This would just be a standard, let's say the next target area that I would like to see reached in the fifth wave to the upside. In addition to that, please note that the support area, even though we made a slightly, marginally lower low overnight, it is not confirmed yet that this white wave 4, the internal wave 4 in this C wave, in this larger diagonal pattern, yeah, no confirmation as such that this internal fourth wave is complete. Rather, I only see a 3-wave move up from the last low. And therefore, it could easily be the case that we just form a more extended fourth wave as shown in yellow. Definitely cannot rule that out. I mean, how would that even look like? Let me put that onto the chart. I even think that we could be dealing with a flat correction here, A wave down. This might even all be a B wave and then a C wave down. So something like that, or maybe the A wave was even here. Doesn't make a great difference, but please note this could still unfold as a wave 4 correction. And the support zone for this internal wave 4, it is defined between 89,474 and $91,413, with 50% retracement being a very important one at 90,438, because the 50% retracement level is like an early top signal. So if the price breaks below that 50% retracement level, then we have already an early indication that we might not get that one more high that I would like to see actually. Okay, for now, why am I looking actually for one more high? Why is that? It is because the rally from that 20th of April low is only a 3-wave move up. And if the interpretation is correct, and this is a C wave, I would really like to see 5 waves up. And one more wave, if you will, is missing. Seems to be missing. So that's one reason. Just visually, yeah. The other reason is that we are still holding above Fibonacci support. So those are our objective levels. I have to be objective. So should the market breaks below those levels, then I'm not going to watch for another high. So once the price crosses the early top signal line at 90,438, go down lower. I'm not going to watch for another high, okay? So this is where the analysis keeps us objective if we want another high or not. So that's the other reason. And well, that's Fibonacci, just based on the data, yeah, Fibonacci wise. And the third point why I'm still watching for another high is because the pullbacks structurally, yeah, visually, then mathematically, Fibonacci levels, and structurally, the pullback is only in 3 waves so far. So that's how I get that data evidence, right? It's a 3-wave pullback. We know that 3-wave movements to the downside are not strong indications that a larger correction has started. Now, the wave 4 here, the larger degree wave 4, which we will focus on as soon as we break below the early top signal line, there is no need that this starts with a 5-wave move down. But taking all of this together and the fact that this is really probably just consolidation below an important level. Here's resistance, this level, yeah, at around 94,200. Talked about that in the daily chart video yesterday and today. So it's no surprise we consolidate there for a bit now, yeah. It's a very important level. It's the golden ratio level there. We talked about that in the previous video. Because it's just basically consolidation. Focus would still be on higher prices. So it's quite simple. There is not much more to say. So as soon as we break below, or should we actually break below the intraday low here at $91,740, then I will first see this as an extended wave 4. Once we break below 90,438, especially if we break below it with the volume, it's likely going to be the larger degree 4th wave. Wouldn't be a problem. Just means we're jumping up 1 wave degree and then the 81,660 level will come into focus as key support for that fourth wave. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.